Hi everyone, this is Professor Mayunger and you are watching ERUDIRE Plus, the professional CAD/CAM solution provider. Let's get started. Hello and welcome to ERUDIRE Plus, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest technology. Today we are excited to review the Honor MagicBook 14 laptop, which comes with a powerful Ryzen 5 5500U processor with a high specification and minimum price with a discount of 38%. Buying link is provided in the description box. As many of you know, Honor is a brand known for delivering sleek and innovative design with impressive performance. The Honor MagicBook 14 is not an exception, as it offers a premium design, excellent battery life, and a range of features that make it a top contender in the laptop market. In this review, we will be diving into the details of Honor MagicBook 14 and highlighting its strengths and weakness. Then let's start with the processor. It is powered with AMD Ryzen 5 5500 processor, which is a powerful and efficient chip that delivers a smooth and responsive computing experience. The Ryzen 5 5500 processor has 6 cores and 12 threads, which makes it ideal for multitasking and running demanding applications. It has a base clock speed of 2.3 GHz, which can turbo boost up to 4 GHz, ensuring that it can handle any heavy-duty work with an ease. And if we're talking about the storage, it has 8GB DDR4 RAM, which is quite high enough for the students. And it is coupled with 512GB SSD, which provides ample storage to store your different applications and also different documents. And this SSD is much faster than normal hard drives. Therefore, in this case, booting is faster. By the same time, loading of applications will be also very fast. If we are talking about the display, it has a 14 inches Full HD IPS display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixel, which is ideal for reading, writing, and watching videos. And also, it has got a refresh rate of 60 Hz, which provides a smooth and fluid experience. It has got a brightness of 250 nits. We'll cover everything from its design to build quality to its performance and battery life. And we'll also take a closer look at AMD Ryzen 5 5500U processor, how it contributes to the laptop's overall performance. So whether you are in the market for a new laptop or just curious about the latest technology, then you should not miss this review. So without further delay, let's get started. The Honor MagicBook 14 is a sleek and affordable device that packs a punch when it comes to performance. It is a light laptop designed for productivity and on-the-go use. For the students, our laptop is not just a tool for typing up assignments and also browsing the web. It needs to have the right specification to run the demanding applications and also multitasking. In this detailed technical review, we will dive into Honor MagicBook 14's key features, including its processor, numbers of cores, RAM, SSD, brightness, refresh rate, panel brightness, even battery backup also. Then let's start with the processor. It is powered with AMD Ryzen 5 5500 processor, which is a powerful and efficient chip that delivers a smooth and responsive computing experience. The Ryzen 5 5500 processor has 6 cores and 12 threads, which makes it ideal for multitasking and running demanding applications. It has a base clock speed of 2.3 GHz, which can turbo boost up to 4 GHz, ensuring that it can handle any heavy-duty work with an ease. And if we're talking about the storage, it has 8GB DDR4 RAM, which is quite high enough for the students. And it is coupled with 512GB SSD, which provides ample storage to store your different applications and also different documents. And this SSD is much faster than normal hard drives. Therefore, in this case, booting is faster and also loading of applications will be also very fast. If we are talking about display, it has a 14 inches Full HD IPS display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixel, which is ideal for reading, writing, and watching videos. And also, it has got a refresh rate of 60 Hz, which provides a smooth and fluid experience when scrolling and watching videos. It has got a brightness of 250 nits, making it bright enough while you are using this one in room or outside. The panel's color gamut covers 100% sRGB, ensuring that you are getting 100% accurate colors while editing photos or videos. The viewing angle is also excellent, which means comfortably you can share your screen with others. And if you are talking about battery backup, it can last up to 10 hours with a single charge, which is more than enough for a day's work. That means you can study and work throughout the day without any worry. Now let's talk about the price. As I told before, it was having a discount of 38%. Now the discount is more. You can have a discount of 41%. The price of this one was actually more than 50,000, but at this moment with a discount of 41%, you can get it at 38,990 rupees. And the buying link is already provided in the description box. That means it is very much affordable to the students, and you can see the specification is also very high. Therefore, it is quite easily affordable to the students who are having actually a tight budget. So is it the best budget laptop for the students? Yes, definitely it is. Because it is delivering impressive performance, a stunning display, ample of storage, and excellent battery backup. And finally, you can see you can have all these things with an affordable price. I'm sure that definitely you will not get this type of specification with this price. Its powerful processor, ample RAM, fast SSD make it a reliable workhorse that can handle anything you can throw on it. Additionally, its sleek and lightweight design makes it an easy to carry around and making it perfect for the students who are always on the go. Now let's talk about the performance of this one based on users' feedback. It provides an exceptional performance for everyday computing tasks such as web browsing, photo editing, video editing, making assignments, even for live streaming also it is very much useful. It is capable of delivering snappy and responsive performance. It can also handle more demanding tasks like photo and video editing very easily. And also you can run different engineering softwares also. All these things making it a versatile machine for personal and professional use. As I told before, its processor is actually AMD's Ryzen 5 5500U processor, which is actually using AMD's 7nm chip. So it is very much power efficient. The processor also features AMD's precision boost 2 technology, actually which is working to adjust the clock speed of this processor based on workload and temperature to provide an optimum performance. In conclusion, you can say that Honor MagicBook 14 laptop is a solid affordable choice for the students who are looking for a powerful and reliable machine with high specification with a minimum price, in which they can handle all their academic work very easily. Therefore, it is an excellent choice for the students, not only for the students, for any professionals. This is an excellent choice because of its high specification and excellent performance with a so less price, with a very less amount of price, which is affordable to anybody. So with this one, we'll conclude our today's video. If you are having any kind of doubts or any questions, please write to me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you again. Bye. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. And if you have any kind of doubts, please write to me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you again. Bye.